Imagine a world where a tiny mistake, a single misplaced word, could ignite a global phenomenon. This is the incredible true story of the spark of chaos, born from a 19th century telegram. Our journey begins in a bustling telegraph office, a hub of communication in a bygone era. A crucial message, intended for high-ranking officials, was being transmitted across continents. But somewhere along the line, a minor grammatical error crept into the text. This seemingly insignificant slip would soon unravel into widespread confusion. In a grand, opulent room, diplomats _1 received the perplexing message. Their faces, usually composed, now showed utter bewilderment. The high stakes of their diplomatic world were suddenly clouded by this linguistic enigma. What was meant to be clear communication had become a cryptic puzzle. Soon, the garbled text escaped the confines of diplomatic circles. A newspaper boy, with a stack of fresh papers, shouted headlines that hinted at the mystery. The public's curiosity was instantly piqued by this secret code. In cafes and parlors, people _O2 began to discuss the enigmatic phrase. It became a topic of intense fascination, a puzzle everyone wanted to solve. Newspapers, sensing a trend, fueled the fire with increasingly sensational headlines. The grammatical error transformed into a widespread, captivating mystery. The public's imagination was thoroughly captured by this enigmatic phrase. It was no longer just an error, it was a phenomenon. What began as a simple mistake had taken on a life of its own. The spark of chaos was about to ignite a global domino effect. The phrase, once confined to a single telegram, began to jump across borders. Early international telecommunication devices, like undersea cables, accelerated its spread. It was adapted into different languages, each culture adding its own twist. Soon, the phrase wasn't just spoken, it was seen everywhere. It appeared on fashion items, becoming a popular trend among the stylish. Artists incorporated it into their works, adding a layer of intrigue. From everyday objects to high art, the phrase was inescapable. It had transcended its origins, becoming a true global cultural phenomenon. But why did people embrace this error, this glitch, so readily? The psychology behind its viral spread is fascinating. People often preferred the captivating mystery over a boring correction. Officials _O1 tried to explain the error, to set the record straight. But their logical explanations were largely ignored by the engrossed masses. The secret code offered a sense of belonging, a unique identity for those in the know. Linguistic friction, the very confusion, created a powerful bond. It was a testament to how humans find meaning in the unexpected. The legacy of this linguistic accident echoes even in our modern world. Think of internet memes and viral content. Many start as accidents or misunderstandings. A simple image, a misspoken phrase, can explode into a global phenomenon overnight. The parallels to our 19th century telegram incident are striking. Both demonstrate the power of collective interpretation and rapid dissemination. From a telegraph office to a Twitter feed, human nature remains constant. We are drawn to novelty, to mystery, and to shared experiences. The spark of chaos reminds us that cultural movements often originate from unexpected accidents. A minor error can become a catalyst for something truly extraordinary. It highlights the profound power of human interpretation and communication. So, the next time you encounter a glitch or a misunderstanding, pause and wonder, could this be the spark of the next global phenomenon? The world is full of unexpected stories, waiting to unfold.